This is a weekly update for science class for the week of March or April 4th. Sorry. All right. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we did using chemical change to identify an unknown. So students were given four substances, four white powders. These were the white powders, and they had to figure out what happens to them when water's added, vinegar, iodine, and universal indicator, what kind of change happened. And then they were given two unknowns. They were numbered 1 through 8, so they had to pick two of them, and then they tested with these various solutions to see what happens. And then they compared these results to the unknowns so they could figure out and identify what were the unknown powders. And then they had to answer the questions, and then they had to determine what two substances in baking powder react with water to bubble and produce a gas. So they had to test baking soda and cornstarch, baking soda and cream and tartar, and cornstarch and cream and tartar. Then we had a demonstration of what happens when you add cream of tartar and vinegar to indicator solution. And this is cream of tartar being added to the universal indicator. And it did the same thing that when vinegar was added to it, it went from a dark green or blue to a bright pink. So that was turned in for points and graded. And then students on Thursday did an Edpuzzle, mixtures and solutions. They then did a Google Drive assignment called concentration solutions. Both were graded and turned in. And then Friday we started Lightwave's unit with lesson 1.2, and they added page 31 and 32 to the reference notebooks. That's what we did this week. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.